Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for Aries fire sign, and this reading is from September 1st to September 10th. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone, and this reading is about your person current feelings and their near future actions towards you. So let's see your person current feelings. First, later we see their actions towards you, Aries. So your person current feelings right now. 4 of Cups. Oh, 6 of Wands. Nine of Pentacles. I think right now your person not willing to accept your offer. For some your person feeling sad. Here's 2 stories I am getting. For some, your person not accepting the cup of love which is offered by you because they want to gain success in their career wise. 9 of Pentacles and 6 of Wands. For some, even though if your person leaves you, they are not accepting your offer, they're feeling very sad for the missed opportunity. So let's clarify 4 of Cups. Okay. 10 of Cups. Yeah, they want this. They want you. Queen of Pentacles, they want to share their love with you. Yeah, 10 of Pentacles, 9 to 10. Yeah, they want to offer stability to this connection and they want this. But I think they want to come towards you. Right now they are concentrating on their careers, but they want to offer stability to this connection and they want this happiness with you also. So let's see the near future actions towards you. These actions totally depending upon your situation. Yeah, 2 of Pentacles, they are juggling. I already told they are juggling between you and their career or between 2 things. Knight of Wands, but they want to come towards you. See here, the Lovers, Gemini. You or your person could be Gemini. Definitely they love you, you love your person. So let's clarify 2 of Pentacles, the World, and Knight of, yes, the Hanged Man, stuck. They want Page of Swords. Yeah, some communication you will receive from your person or your person spying on you on social media, and they're juggling and they want to come towards you, but on the time they will get stuck. Some cycles are going to be end between both of you. I think Knight of Wands here, Knight you have to think, because Knight they will in and out your life I am getting. But they in this time they want to offer stability because 10 of Pentacles is here, 10 of Cups is here. So it's up to you to accept their offer or not. So let's see your connection, where is it headed by from the universe. Yeah, Ace of Swords, truth coming out, communication. Yeah, Queen of Swords, you both will communicate clearly, clarity will come. See here the Sun card and this 8 of Wands. Wow, communication, you both will communicate back and forth, and I think here communication is the key, because a lot of communication cards are here. Page of Swords and Ace of Swords and Queen of Swords and the Sun. Definitely you both will reunite, and there is a brand new beginning between both of you. There is a lot of people, there is a chance for new beginning between both of you. So let's pull very positive ending. Yeah, I think in past one person is I think your person is not expressing their feeling in past, but right now they want to express their feelings because communication cards are here. They are ready to open up and they are ready to express their feelings to you, and you are their happiness. The Sun card is here. Definitely they want to communicate you. I think communication is the key. So this is the reading for you, Aries. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Bye.